Okay, so what's going on here with the wood stove? The pipe was loose, and we were trying to take a look at that. Ooh, look at all the dirt on my lens. So I vacuumed out inside there. There was a whole bunch of soot and stuff. And then up here, the reason that it was loose, so when they drove a screw in through the pipe, it just bent that pipe up there that it's supposed to connect into, instead of actually screwing through it. So the pipe that was screwed into this was loose, nothing holding it. And that's this pipe right out here. So yeah, we've got some creosote in there. This is the top end, what would be the cool end. Not as bad on this end. Okay, we're going to see if we can bend those back. And I've got a trash bag that I want to hold underneath here. So I assume this is going to knock some of that creosote off. Oh, crispy. Alright, disgusting. Alright, now I want to drill a hole in there for the screw to go into. We'll estimate where that should be. That's tougher than it looked. It's very bendy, and it broke the drill bit. That's wonderful. So wonderful. This is the part where Daddy curses because the drill bit broke. So many cool things have happened since we last spoke. Okay, there used to be just one screw here at the bottom and one screw right there, and that's all that was holding this together, this whole thing. The screws at the top were not connected. Screws at the bottom, there was only one. Okay? So now there's another one over here in the dark that you can't see. And over on this side, the coolest thing happened. When I was putting in the screw, it just broke right off. I love that. Love it when the screw breaks off into cast iron. And what I've realized now, I have 3 screws at this location, at this level. It holds the 2 pieces of pipe together. That's all well and good. So at this level, where the 2 pipes meet, there's now 3 screws where there was only 1. Here's the issue. The place where there was a pre-drilled hole, there's almost an inch of space that needs to be taken up. This right here needs to go up here, and this is where it's been sitting for the last 2 years since we've been here, and there's been no screws in this top part that actually connected to this collar, so that pipe's just been sitting there. So now I've got to take these screws back out, slide that whole pipe up this way, drill new holes. It's going to expose the old holes. That's a drag. And then reconnect at the top. This is exactly how quick little projects turn into afternoon projects. What I'm thinking is, this is really like a 1.5 man job. Or, you know, a boy and a man, or a boy and a girl, or, you know, something like that. Because somebody's got to hold this section up against there. Up there. While I'm up there connecting it and or drilling and connecting it down here. So, this should be fairly comedic, along the lines of, you know, Abbott and Costello comedic. Nobody knows the drill bits I have seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Okay, got the new drill bit in the thingy there. That thingy. And there's the busted screw head right there. That's the one that just busted right off. Thank you. Want to be sure and give you a shout out. I'm forever drinking Hootie. Not Hootie and the Blowfish. Hootapole. Yeah, Hootapole. Alright, here's where it all comes crashing down. Like that. Alright. Let's see what we can find up here. Open here. What are the chances that I will always love you? What are the chances I could hit the hole without fur on it? Okay, no, I think I'm just bending it. Ooh! We got something there, boys. We got something. We got something there, boys. Okay, let's see if I can see the hole. Son of a bitch. The hole might be in the right place. Oh, the hole might be in the right place. No. Hole's not in the right place. Back it up, boys. Okay, well, the good news is I got that hole in the right place, and that'll hold this while I'm re-drilling everything. Excellent. No, the drill bit's too long. It won't flip over. That's gorgeous. That is beautiful. Thank you, Cobalt, for your brilliant design. This way I have to buy a drill bit from you. Thank you very much. That's brilliant. Daddy's going to be cursing soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Now, we need some holes here. Up in here. Well, it would work like that. It would be no worse than it was before, actually way better. Let's drill the hole. I don't want to go too deep because I don't want to go through that inner wall. The screw's down here somewhere where it fell before. Let's see if we can locate the screw. That's a lifelong journey right there. Let's see if we can... There's a screw! Get in there, boys! Oh man, that's gorgeous. I like this big hole right here that's from the other screw. That's my favorite part. I'll replace all of this in the summer. Yes, I know I don't have the right screws. Alright. That's a lot sturdier than it was. Okay. And remember, kids, when you go into the forest, leave it better than when you got there.